Welcome back to Money Academy. Today, I'm going to show you how you can earn up to $1.75 per minute just by transcribing audio into text. No special degree or fancy setup required. All you need is a computer, a good pair of headphones, and some dedication. We'll go through two platforms that actually pay for transcription work: GoTranscript and BabbleType. I'll walk you through how they work, how much they pay, and how you can maximize your earnings. If that sounds exciting, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more money-making tips. Now let's dive in. Step 1. Understanding the platforms. Before we start, let's break down what these platforms do and why they're legit ways to make money. Green Circle GoTranscript. This UK-based transcription company was founded in 2005 and offers services in over 40 languages. It's beginner-friendly and doesn't require prior experience, making it a great option if you're just starting out. Blue Circle BabbleType. Unlike GoTranscript, BabbleType focuses more on market research and transcription for businesses. The application process is stricter, but the pay is often higher for experienced transcribers. Step 2. Signing up and getting approved. Now let's talk about how you can get started and approved on these platforms. Briefcase GoTranscript application process. Keycap 1. Visit gotranscript.com. Keycap 2. Click on Apply Now under the transcription job section. Keycap 3. Read their transcription guidelines carefully. This is key. Keycap 4. Take the transcription test. It evaluates your typing skills and accuracy. Keycap 5. If you pass, you can start working immediately. Briefcase BabbleType application process. Keycap 1. Visit babbletype.com and go to their career section. Keycap 2. Fill out the application form and take their typing test. Keycap 3. BabbleType is a bit stricter and may require an interview. Keycap 4. Once accepted, you can start getting assignments. Red Circle Pro Tip. Make sure your typing speed is at least 60 to 80 words per minute to increase your chances of passing the tests. Step 3. How much can you earn? Now let's talk about the most important part: how much money you can actually make. Moneybag GoTranscript pay rates. They pay 60 cents per audio minute on average. This means that if you transcribe a 10-minute audio file, you make $6. If you can transcribe an hour of audio per day, that's $36 per hour. Moneybag BabbleType pay rates. They offer between 45 cents to 50 cents per audio minute. That's around $27 to $30 per hour if you're fast. Chart increasing how to reach $1.75 per minute. As a beginner, your earnings might start at 60 to 75 cents per minute. But experienced transcriptionists who specialize in medical or legal transcription can charge $1.50 to $2 per minute on freelance platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Step 4. How to maximize your earnings. Here's how you can increase your transcription speed and earnings. Desktop computer. Use transcription software. Tools like Otter.ai, Descript, and Express Scribe can help speed up your work. Headphone. Invest in good headphones. Noise-canceling headphones make it easier to hear words clearly. Keyboard. Improve your typing speed. Websites like Typing Club and 10 Fast Fingers help increase your speed. Eyes. Choose shorter files first. Completing shorter tasks faster increases your earnings per hour. Briefcase. Freelance for higher pay. Once you have experience, offer transcription services on Fiverr, Upwork, or Rev to set your own rates. Step 5. Is transcription worth it? So, is transcription a good way to make money? Absolutely. It's flexible, can be done from anywhere, and doesn't require any upfront investment. White heavy checkmark. Perfect for students, stay-at-home parents, or freelancers. White heavy checkmark. No experience needed. Just practice and consistency. White heavy checkmark. You can scale up and make $1,000 plus per month by working part-time. However, keep in mind that audio quality can be challenging, and it may take some time to build speed. But if you stay committed, transcription can be a solid side hustle or even a full-time income. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on ways to make money online. Also, drop a comment below. Have you ever tried transcribing? Me know. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.